We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and often mispronounced words, including color names too, some of the most mispronounced ones in English, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. So how do you say thus? For the story, this is a word of French origin. In French it means mâle, as in the animal, and this designates a color, a type of grey with a bit of brown in it, and I suppose this is the colour of a mâle, the animal, right? For reference, in French this is said as taupe, taupe. Therefore, in English this is generally said as taupe, taupe, the beautiful grey brownish colour called taupe. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and color names in particular, whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.